H2O2 from H2O here. I'd like to cover the correct way to add your masking to your copper clad board. Alright, so the supplies you need so that you can apply a transfer onto your copper board. What you're going to need is a copper board, preferably two-sided, but one-sided is okay. Your transfer on special paper, a toothbrush, paper towel, a small needle like you use in sewing, warm water, preferably as hot as dishwater, a pair of scissors for cutting paper, some kind of cutting board made out of preferably wood, an iron that does not have to have steam, a Sharpie permanent marker. I don't usually endorse products, but this is the only one that I know works correctly. And there you have it. Let's begin. The correct way to add your masking to your copper clad board. I have here a reversed mirror image of my primary top side, and here is a positive of the back side of the board. In this case, I had to run a special print driver to create a PDF for the reverse mirror. I will be providing a PDF already reversed, so all you have to do is print it out on this special paper. So the first step is to align your board within your outer boundaries, and pick it up gently. Inspect your edges to make sure you're not leaving any traces off. If you can see that right there, I'm kind of peeking out. The board's not exactly square. It's just a prototype. I'll scooch that up a little bit. And now that one's too far. Those traces are quite large. If we lose a little bit for the production of prototyping, I'm not worried about it. There we go. We're good all the way around. So what I'm going to do is take a really hot iron, standard clothing iron. You can see the bottom. It's got little holes on it. And I'm going to lay this down with two hands, pressing on it firmly. It's going to snap. And I'm going to heat a corner of this, and it's going to stick. Doesn't take much. And this is just the prep. Now that board's going to be gooey to that paper. I'm going to inspect it again, make sure I'm still aligned. Looks good. Now the object here is pressure and heat. and lots of pressure. I'm putting my shoulder strength into this, and I'm just heating that board. In a second, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to rub the paper onto the board. Okay, so I'm going to take the tip of my iron, holding my thumb on the paper just to make sure nothing slips, and I'm going to start pressing on there and moving slowly, heating it the whole time, and you can start to see marks. I believe it's mostly just dirt from the iron, but the iron is sensitive to those ripples. And so you get little drag marks from all the traces. Lots of pressure, lots of heat. Making sure those edges are good, heated and pressurized. Okay, I'm going to do one final heating. Probably about 45 seconds. It's been about 7 minutes, 30 seconds since I started this. I'm letting you know the time because I'm probably going to edit out some of this and shorten it up. So I don't want to make it look like it takes less time. Some of the videos I studied before I perfected this technique was misleading. Okay. Step 2.